In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change dollar to rupees in Airbnb. If you're seeing prices in US dollars and want them in Indian rupees, this quick tweak will make browsing and budgeting a lot easier. Changing the currency only affects how prices are displayed to you. It doesn't change your account country or your payment method. With that in mind, let's get you set up. Start by opening the Airbnb website in your browser or launch the Airbnb app on your phone. You can do this whether you're signed in or not, but signing in helps the settings stick across your devices. Once you're on the homepage, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You're looking for the site footer, the area with small links and settings. There, you'll see a currency option. If you've been seeing prices in dollars, it will likely show USD with a dollar sign next to it. Click the currency indicator to open the currency selector. A small window or panel will appear with a list of available currencies. You can scroll through the list or use the search field to find what you need. Type INR or Indian rupee and look for the option labeled Indian rupee with the rupee symbol, Rs. Be careful not to mix this up with language or region settings that may appear nearby. You want the currency option specifically. Select Indian rupee, Rs, INR. As soon as you click it, Airbnb will automatically refresh the prices you see across the site. Listings, search results, service fees, and totals at checkout will now display in rupees. If the change doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh or navigate to another listing to trigger the update. If you're signed in, this preference usually carries over the next time you visit or when you switch to the app on the same account. A couple of helpful notes. This change is purely for how amounts are shown to you. Airbnb may use its own exchange rates, and your bank can still apply conversion fees depending on how you pay. Hosts set base prices in their own currency, but because you've chosen INR, you'll see a clear converted amount in rupees throughout your browsing and booking flow. That's all there is to it. Open Airbnb, head to the bottom of the homepage, choose the currency setting, search for Indian rupee, and select it. Your prices will now display in Rs INR, making it simpler to compare stays and plan your trip with confidence.